In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can get your Nike promo code. Nike provide discounts, making Nike products more affordable, especially for budget-conscious shoppers or those looking to stretch their purchasing power. To get your Nike discount code, simply head into any browser of your own choice. It can be Safari or any other browser. On the search bar, type in Nike promo code plus the month you're currently in. You will see a bunch of different websites, but you will have to choose a legit website. Select this website that has 30% off any purchase on Nike. Choose any coupon code of your own choice. The code will get generated successfully. Go ahead and copy the code to clipboard. You can just tap right here to redeem directly to Nike. Don't forget to write your email here so that you don't miss out on exclusive Nike deals. Go to the Nike official website. Under the payment page, make sure to paste in your coupon code. Double check down if your code is activated successfully before making any kind of payment. That's how easy it is to get your Nike promo code every month. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.